Okay, now it's good.
All the way up. Okay, good. All the way out to the sides. High as you can go, good. Back down. With that arm, I want you to reach behind your head. And back down. Reach up behind your back. Okay. And back down. This one, I want you to reach up here. Okay, and back down. And reach up behind your back. Okay, and rest. Now I'm going to take your arm, we're going to turn you that way a little bit. As far as we can go right there. Okay, turn back toward the camera. Okay. Okay, you can see where this is going up. Good. I'm going to turn your arm out. And relax your arm. There's no internal rotation. Now, hold your arm right there. Don't let me push it in. Okay, lift it out to the side. Hold it right there. Hold. Okay, hold it out in front this way. Hold it tight there. Okay, good. And relax. You any pain to touch?
Yeah.
Tender right there.
Yeah. Very.
Okay. Do the same thing here. We're going to lift you right here. Hold it there. Hold tight. Okay. Out to the side like this. Hold tight. Good. And down by your side. Hold right there. Hold, 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 hold. And rest.